So let me get you on this one. The Watchman, this is a strong concordance, complete concordance and everything. This is where Watchmen, all of them are being used. As you see, you got Watchmans and Watchmen. And then other than that, that's it. Watchmen and Watchman. And we're going to do the Watchman. We're going to do Ezekiel. So there's 4 of them there. We're not going to do all of them. We're going to do the last 3. I'm going to read it to you. We're going to do Ezekiel 33:3. If when he seeth the sword, we'll go a little bit before that. If the people of the land take a man of their coast and set him for their watchman, if he seeth the sword come upon the land, he bloweth the trumpet and warn the people. Then whosoever heareth the sound of the trumpet and taketh not warning, if the sword come and take him away, his blood shall be upon his own head. He heard the sound of the trumpet and took no warning. His blood shall be upon him. But he that taketh warning shall deliver his soul. And here's the bad part for everybody else on planet Earth. If you are a watchman, and I'm saying everybody is a watchman. Chapter 6. But if the watchman see the sword come and blow not the trumpet, and the people are not warned, if the sword come and take any person from among them, he is taken away in his iniquity, but his blood will I require at the watchman's hand. Do you understand that? The watchman will be chastised, and here, another verse to give you some sort of understanding. It's the 9th. Nevertheless, if thou warn the wicked of his ways to turn from it, if he do not turn from his way, he shall die in his iniquity, but thou hast delivered thy soul, because you told what was going on, you have delivered your soul. If you don't tell, you shall lose your soul. It's that simple, people. And who is telling you anything? I am a watchman. I'm doing all these videos to tell you what is happening so that I will not lose my soul. Now, I can't help it that nobody's actually seeing this stuff. It's on YouTube. It's worldwide. All you have to do, all the Lord has to do, is lead you to the right place, to the POW-MIA. And if you aren't led there, or you don't find it, you're not moved of your own, and you don't see it, you won't know what's going on. But I am professing what is going on, so I am saving my soul. This is why I'm spending thousands of dollars to tell you what I know, and this and that, so that I might save my soul. I finally decided my silence was deafening and a mortal blow to not only my flesh and blood, but to my soul. And I am right. My interpretation is right. I am correct. Again, Ezekiel 33:3. Or you can just do the whole chapter. It reiterates itself several times, the same thing. This person will lose their soul, or you shall lose your soul. So who is the watcher? I think you're going to find out that we are all known as watchers. And those that lie and cheat are nothing more than liars and cheat from Satan himself, the liar of all time. He lied in the beginning, and he's lied ever since, and he will lie to the end. You all take care. Have a great forever.